In this video, I'll show you how to join Facebook groups privately so other people don't easily see that you joined a group. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home screen, tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, tap on Groups to see different groups you can explore or join. You can scroll through the suggested groups or use the search bar at the top to find a specific group you're interested in. Once you find the group you want to join, tap on the group name to open its page. Now tap the Join button. Some groups may ask you to answer a few questions before sending your request, so fill in the answers if required and submit your request. If the group is private, your request will be reviewed by the group admins before you are approved. After your request is accepted, you'll become a member of the group and can start viewing posts and participating in discussions. Keep in mind that if the group itself is private, only members can see the content and your activity inside the group. That's how you can join Facebook groups privately using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.